Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got a new iPhone 16 and I got the Vizvera for 16 Pro shockproof case. So let's check this thing out here. I'll show you what it is and how it looks. And check it out, nice and black because I have a black phone. Got a black case for it and I'll show you guys it. I've used one of these cases before, so I know how these work. I'm gonna drop my phone putting it in. So basically you just stick it in and get it in all the corners, and there we go. Now it's got it on there. I have a screen protector on my phone already, so that part I'm good on. And it looks like the button's gonna work fine for the power, easy as can be. The little volume up and down, you can see the volume going up and down. I hold that one down, the ring button works, those fit good. The camera button's obviously gonna work, it's just a hole there. And then, so now if I wanna take a picture, I can slide this way, slide it over. So that's good, so it's gonna protect my lenses here. My old phone, I broke the lens, so this one here, I won't have to worry about dropping it and breaking it. So when I want to take a picture, slide it open and slide it closed. And if I'm just going out and I don't want to bring my wallet or anything like that, I can just bring my phone and in here stick my license. It's like just the right size for a license. And I wonder if that's like some sort of Faraday thing, but it fits my license and it fits my credit card. But I could also use this if I wanted to, you know, like a stand. So if I'm not using my license in there, I could have it as a stand, so it kind of works that way. I think this one here just kind of, you know, works and does what it needs to do. So it's a nice case, super good, seems nice and durable. It's got good rubber around the side of it. Makes it a little bit bigger than the standard case, you know, it's a little thicker here, but if you think about it, the camera kind of sticks out anyway, so it's really not sticking out too much past the camera. So pretty cool. I like it. So thumbs up.